Feeling overwhelmed and lost? You're likely in a tough shift. Navigating difficult times without clear direction is a recipe for undue hardship. Are you ready to get your life back on track? Start in your heart. That's where your God-gifted purpose lives. OnPurpose.me is an ingeniously fast and incredibly accurate app for revealing your purpose. You're minutes away from knowing your two-word purpose and stepping onto your right path. My two-word purpose is igniting joy. It's so practical and affirming of who I am in Christ. OnPurpose.me was developed by Kevin W. McCarthy, a Christian life coach who for over 30 years has graciously guided believers like us through many tough shift events. Through his book, The On Purpose Person, and his speaking, Kevin continues to spark the souls of people searching for meaning and to make a difference. Feeling alone in your struggle? Don't be. Engage Kevin or one of his Christian life coach peers to align your purpose and God's plan. Working with your Christian life coach will be a rewarding experience. Remember, finding the true you starts here. Get started at onpurpose.me.